Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to trade on pocket option with candlestick psychology and candlestick pattern. First of all, I analyze the market, then I place trade. Okay, here is a IK option is a very good platform. If you choose the best broker, I can link in description box. Please check, and if you see the best broker, and you can join it and sign up your account. Okay, so let's start trading. First of all, okay, here is a buy signal for 1 minute. With why I place this trade? Because this is a strong support level. Okay, and here is a resistance level. Okay, so let's see the result. Let's see other situation. Okay, 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 there is a winning trade. Okay, now I place another trade. Here is a down trade for 1 minute. Why I place this trade? Because this is a strong resistance level. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, I place another trade. Okay, let's see the result. But here is a support level, so market going up. Okay, I covered the loss. Okay, let's see another situation, another pairs. Okay, okay, I lose this trade and I place $2,000. Okay, okay, I place down trade. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, okay, but not good entry point. Okay, 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 let's see the result. Okay,